The compressor on my dehumidifier won't shut off. The fan shuts off by pushing the button, but the comp doesn't. It's a 2-year-old Frigidaire, model #FAD 704 dud. Disassembled it and cleaned coils and it worked okay for a few hours, but now I have to unplug the thing to stop it.
Hello Bill, my name is XXXXX. Thank you for choosing our service. The only part that can keep that compressor operating is the main board. The bad news is the main board is not available for sale. The best you can hope for is to access the board, it's the one under the touchpad, and hope that the relays are marked with individual part numbers. Then you may be able to pick up the relays for the board and replace them. Frigidaire just never has made that part available as a replacement part. If you have questions about my answer, please click the reply to link. I will be happy to explain anything that is not clear. Please do not forget to leave a rating. If you have a problem leaving a rating, please let me know. Thanks, Barry.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.